CapCut is a popular video editing app with a wide range of features and tools. Many users want to download specific versions of CapCut for various reasons. In this video, I'll show you how to download any CapCut version you need. To download the latest CapCut version, visit the CapCut website and download the installer, which will download and install the latest application. You can update CapCut at any time via the application itself. You can also tick the checkbox if you are interested in beta versions. By the way, CapCut downloads the complete offline installation. If you want, you can quickly drag a copy to your desktop and save it for later use. When you start the latest version of the CapCut app, you will soon notice that purple diamonds appear all over the user interface. CapCut is filled with ads and premium pro features that require a paid subscription to access. Many of the features you previously enjoyed for free have now been moved behind a paywall, so you need to purchase a subscription in order to continue using them. Even basic effects like auto removal have gone pro. To overcome the limitation of needing to pay for previously free features, you could consider using an older version of the CapCut app where those desired features were still available without requiring a premium subscription. You can download old versions of CapCut from various websites or be smart and use the official ByteDance download links. To download CapCut version 5.1.0 build 1897, copy and paste the official link into your browser and download the official CapCut version. I use a script that I found online, possibly on GitHub, to locate the official CapCut links. When using Mint Linux, I first need to make the script executable by running the command +x command. Next, I execute the script by running it with either the sh or bash command. Within the script, you can define the starting point in terms of the major, minor, patch, and build versions. When the script finds a valid download link for Windows in .x file format and for Mac OS as DMG file, it adds those links to the respective text file. You can then use those official links to download older versions of the CapCut software, which can help mitigate the issue of previously free features now being paid. Before installing an older version of CapCut, it is advisable to first create a backup in case something goes wrong. To create the backup, simply copy the user data folder located within the CapCut installation folder. This folder contains the CapCut settings and project files. In conclusion, while the recent changes to CapCut's pricing and feature model may be frustrating for many users, there are ways to access older versions of the software that still have the free features you're used to. By using a script to find and download the official links for previous CapCut releases, you can install an older version that better suits your needs. Peace.